everyone, it's me, Aladdin Renticle, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a toy fairy out of nature. Now, the materials you need is glue, a leaf, a redwood cone, and if you can find a redwood cone with its stick branch still on, that would be great. If you can't, get 2 sticks. And the top of an acorn might need an adult's help finding these perfectly. And Mod Podge is optional, but it will help the leaf last longer. And one thing, if you use the Mod Podge, make sure to use a paintbrush. Okay, so first, if you are going to use Mod Podge, you might want to Mod Podge that down. But first, we are going to take a stick and glue it on. But if you could find a branch like this, you don't really have to unless if you want to make it longer. And then you are going to take that other branch or stick I was talking about, and you're going to take your craft glue and open it up, squirt some glue, and then put the stick over that, there. And then you're going to take the acorn cap, the top of the acorn, and you're going to put glue inside the acorn top. Or at least that's how I find it easier. But if you need to, you don't have to put it on the acorn top. You can always put it on the top of the redwood cone. There. Well, also try not to hold it up right after you've glued the arms. When that's hard, right? And stick that on. Ta-da! Ah! Might want to let it dry for a while. And you're probably wondering, but how am I going to wait that long? I want to be finished right now. Well, now, if you're going to use Mod Podge, we're going to use that time and cover it up. And cover up the leaf in Mod Podge. Open up the Mod Podge, put the paintbrush in, and cover the leaf in Mod Podge. And you might want to ask the pens for some wipes in case if you get Mod Podge on you. And you're gonna brush and sweep. Pretend like it's a little broom. And your parents ask you to sweep every room. Sweep the room. Sweep the room. And now we're going to give that a second or two to let it dry. And you might want to check on this guy. Hope you're familiar with this little person. It's the other half. And the glue probably still isn't dry. There. And if you can't get your acorn top or anything to stay on, just put some more glue on it. There. Now once you've got your glue on, place them back on. There. Now, you might want to flip the leaf over gently. And one thing. And sorry for mentioning this after you put the first one, the Mod Podge on, but try to use it on a wet tray or at least a surface your parents don't mind getting Mod Podged. And you're gonna paint over it. Then let it dry. Now your leaf should be all covered and coated with Mod Podge. This is what my leaf looks like. Oh, and by the way, my leaf is a maple leaf, in case anyone was wondering. Now we're going to attach it. First, you're gonna take some glue and put it along the stick. Carefully. Then, hopefully your leaf has a little stem. And you're going to take that stem and place it on. Now, it might not work, and if it doesn't work and you want it to be like, I want it to be glued right now, take some yarn or or whatever you have that can tie. Grab some scissors and cut it. There. Then you're gonna place it on and put the twine over and tie. Then you might have some extra twine or whatever you use to tie it. And if you're using like not twisty tie or anything like that, you can go ahead, take your scissors and cut it. There. Now, you may want to give it a lot of time to dry because mine's kind of falling apart right now. Ugh, my hand's all sticky. My fairy is finally dried and this is what it looks like. Hope you had fun making it.